Hi, this is me again. I hope you're well. And I decided to take you with me in a day in Verona. I decided to try to walk around the city to some spots that I think are very cute and great, and maybe not so common when you go to Verona. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy it. This is Giardino Giusti. You can visit the palace also, not only the gardens, and I really suggest you to go because it's not so popular, but it's very cute inside, and it's very peaceful also. And this is also in the city center, so it's near to other attraction. Now from there we will go to the very center of Verona, and yeah, this is me. Hi. And yes, from this point of view you can see the Adige, that is the river in Verona, the main river that go all around the city center. You can walk near it all around the perimeter of the city center, and I think it's very nice because you can see a lot of beautiful views, and you can see by work also the neighborhood, and you can breathe less touristic part of Verona. And just near the Adige there is the Teatro Romano and the Archaeological Museum. You can see two of them in the same way, in the same spot, and they are near Ponte Pietra. That is one way to access the city, and I suggest you to go from there because there is this beautiful tower and a very beautiful place to eat very good pizza and focaccia. Nearby, if you want, there are also in the streets some cute restaurants and trattorie, more traditional place to eat. From this point you can see also the hill where there is the Teatro Romano and Archaeological Museum. On the top you can see a castle. It's not similar to a castle, but it's called the Castel San Pietro, and there is a beautiful view of the city, so now I will take you there. So there is a cableway to the top of the hill, and from there you can go to the Castel San Pietro. It's not a castle that you can visit inside, but it is a beautiful view, and also in the middle of the way you can just see a lot of them, but yeah, the most beautiful one is on the top. From there, you can go down also with the cableway, and also by foot, but I suggest you to take the cableway because it's a long way. From there, you can come back to Ponte Pietra, and from there go to Piazza Erbe, where there is this beautiful palace that is called Palazzo Maffei. There is a museum inside. I really suggest you to go there because it opened just 2 years ago, and there is a beautiful show of paintings, but sculptures. It's very a modern way to conceive a museum, so I really suggest you to go. From Piazza Erbe you can go to Piazza dei Signori. That is a nice place to see a lot of beautiful architectures, and also to come back to Piazza Erbe again, because from there you can go to Via Mazzini. That is the main street in Verona, usually the street that you come by, and it's full of shops. You can see also beautiful palaces if you look up, and after you arrive at the Arena and Piazza Bra. That is the main piazza in Verona because it's the bigger one. And this is the Museum of Castelvecchio. You can come from Piazza Bra, it's very near it, and you can see a lot of things inside, but you also can go all around and admire the beautiful construction that is.
So thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video and you want other videos like this one, please comment down below, let me know. Also, if you want to know more about Verona or other cities in Italy, I will be happy to show you. And yeah, I hope you like it. If you want to, you can subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!